Hey, Dave Payerchin here. Wanted to do a quick video and let you know that we're super excited to get you on a call and really get into the nitty gritty of our Cream coaching community. It's been really an honor to work with other clients, people just like you, and really getting their real estate business producing a lot of profit. Really, at the end of the day, results is the only thing that matters. And I will be upfront with you. When RJ and I first started the coaching community and started coaching other people, we were a little bit nervous because we are real estate guys through and through. We have been actively marketing for and buying houses and building a portfolio over the last 10 years and flipping hundreds and hundreds of houses. We're real estate people first and foremost. And really, our thought process was, is this really going to work? Can we take somebody who's not active in the business, or regardless of where you're at in your current real estate business, have them execute the same systems that we are doing on a day-to-day basis? And is this going to work for them? Well, everybody, it has been working fantastically well, and it's really brought out a whole new life out of me personally, because we've been doing this real estate thing for so long, and we're still doing it day in and day out. But when we have the opportunity to actually help somebody else create results, it just lights a fire in us and really prevents burnout, to be completely upfront with you. I just wanted to give you some context on what we're getting into, also go over some housekeeping as well. So our business in a nutshell, and really what we coach and what we've mastered, is three main aspects. So you got lead generation. This is a biggie. I don't care what type of business you're in, you need to be generating leads. And the leads that we are generating and you're going to be generating for yourself and your business are motivated seller leads. These are people who are wanting to sell or needing to sell, and they're wanting some type of offer, and you are going to be able to generate these leads. So just to give you an overview, we are generating about 60 leads per week, every single week in our business, with the systems, the same systems that you're going to be able to implement. There is no shortage, there's no scarcity, nothing like that. But the lead generation is something we have really mastered by trial and error. I told you we've been doing this for quite a long time. Everybody, I cannot stress how much money we've lost by trial and error, bad marketing campaigns, things that just don't work. We've really got the lead generation dialed in, and you're absolutely going to be able to do that as well. So lead generation is step one. Then you get into step two, which is lead conversion. After you get the seller on the phone, what do you do from there? Well, we have a very dialed in sales process, not only scripts. I mean, I could give you scripts and stuff like that. In fact, I have some scripts right here. We were doing some training and whatnot. The scripts are important. It's also about having a sales process and really knowing how to do this. And I'm here to let you know. So 60 leads a week, that's 240 leads a month. We are getting around 30 contracts a month. So we're converting these. This is what you're going to be able to do as well. I don't care if you don't have a sales background. It's not about being a silver-tongued salesperson. It's about being a problem solver. And that is what our sales process does. It solves the problem of the lead that you generated and converts this lead now into a contract. So step one is lead generation. Step two is lead conversion. We're getting all these contracts. I told you we got 31 contracts in the last 4 weeks. Well, you can't take a contract and deposit it into your bank account. And that's the result we're looking for here. So the third step is the sales of the property, right? Or what we call disposition, to dispose of the property, to monetize the property. Now, we are flipping a ton of deals right now. Our average profit, a low month for us, and I'm not saying this to try to be cool, we're very transparent about our own numbers, but gross profits, we're making anywhere from $50,000 to $150,000 per month. Month in and month out. 50 would be a low month. We're averaging this month, it's good, over 80 is on the books, and actually next month as well. And that's great. And it fluctuates, but I want to make the point here. We're bringing in a lot of cash by flipping a ton of houses, and you're going to be able to do this too. But we're not taking ownership of these properties. In fact, we don't even go see these properties. We never have to get in our car. And in fact, we don't even have to go in our car to get the contract signed because our sales process is so dialed in. And this is what you're going to do as well, where you're able to get this contract right over the phone. And then you're going to learn step 3, the dispositions, how to sell this contract or how to monetize this contract, either from wholesaling the transaction or wholesaling the property or doing what is called a novation. A novation is essentially wholesaling on steroids, where you are able to flip the property without ever having to own the property, but you're actually going to be flipping it to the retail buyer community through the MLS, the multiple listing services. If you are a realtor right now, great. That this is only going to add to your business. In fact, I am a realtor also. I have a real estate license. Many people that coach with us have a real estate license, and you're going to be able to, if you have a real estate license. If not, that's okay too, right? You're able to do the investing business either which way. If you're a realtor though, this is just going to add tools to your toolbox. So you can actually, offer multiple solutions to the same seller. One of those solutions being taking the listing. The other two is monetizing it in a different way through a novation, a wholesale deal, or buying it yourself, right? And that's the second part of this whole coaching. The first part is this whole flipping. All of our systems, all of our processes, everything that we do, you are able to implement. It is not just philosophy that we're teaching here. It is the brick and mortar. It is the tools. It is exactly what to do and how to do it. And then what we're doing, once we're generating all these leads, we're flipping as many as we possibly can without getting bogged down with things like construction and things like that. We do still do some fix and flips, don't get me wrong. But what we're also doing with all these leads is cherry picking the very best deals for ourselves, for our own buy and hold portfolio. So I'm very proud to say RJ and I have about 400 units right now. It's crazy to think that. And we started this thing with 0 and no credit. We have bought this entire portfolio. We've done this with none of our own money, none of our own credit. You're going to be able to do this as well. You're going to learn how to fund these deals. You are going to learn how to manage construction. You are going to learn how to protect yourself from contractors, protect yourself from tenants. That's the whole buy and hold aspect of the business, which you're going to be able to do. And even right now, we are still adding to our portfolio every single month. The majority of the properties that we do and transact with are going to be flips. That's perfect. You can do this also. You're going to keep the cash rolling in. Keep the cash rolling in and then cherry pick this investment portfolio. Start cherry picking properties, build your portfolio. Even if you just bought one property per month, after a year, 12 properties. After 2 years, you got 24 properties. You are building massive wealth. You are separating yourself so much from the masses. It's not even funny. Most people don't even own one house. Even if you don't own any houses or own your own house right now, you will be able to buy investment properties with none of your own cash and none of your own credit. It really does work. And we're very excited to share this with you. So let's get into it, everybody. The housekeeping, make sure you are present for our call. Let's make sure it's a meeting. So we want to be present, paper and pen. We don't want to be in our car driving or anything like that. Let's try to, limit the distractions. We will be on time. We will be very focused for this. We take our clients extremely serious, and we're very much looking forward to this. So we'll see you soon. Until then, make it a great day, and we're looking forward to working with you.